Are you looking for a home that feels modern, manageable, and built for the way you live now? Look no further than Old School Lofts in Wickliffe, the newest addition to our fastest selling community in Northeast Ohio. Discover brand new homes with tax abatement savings, included lawn care, and easy access to downtown Cleveland and Willoughby, providing a fresh, low maintenance alternative to both costly rentals and unpredictable resale homes. Inside your brand new home, you'll find a flowing, open concept kitchen and living area perfect for entertaining guests. Build a home with a kitchen island or balcony for even more seating. Your included washer, dryer, and kitchen appliances provide immediate savings, so you can focus on furnishing your new home. With 3 bedrooms and options for a rec room, there's plenty of space for a home office, hobby space, or guest room. Add a little luxury to your morning routine. Choose from options like a walk-in closet, private bathroom, and a dual vanity. Routine home upkeep is made simple with myryanhome.com, your one-stop shop for all questions relating to home care and your included 1, 2, and 10-year home warranties. And with included lawn care, you'll spend less time on upkeep and more time planning your weekends. Your new home is just minutes from popular grocery stores and commuter routes, making trips for fresh ingredients fast and convenient. Plus, your new home is also just a quick and easy drive to downtown Cleveland. From relaxing days spent swimming and fishing at Colby Park to exciting nights out in downtown Willoughby, Wickliffe has a little something for everyone. Want to know how you could take advantage of the best possible price and get to select your favorite home site at Old School Lofts? Join the interest list. By joining the list, you will receive information on floor plans, updates, and invites for appointments that we don't share with the general public. More importantly, Old School Lofts will open exclusively to you before anyone else. You'll get to schedule your one-on-one appointment, which will allow you to finally see the community for yourself and learn more about it. So join our interest list today. Your future self will thank you.